few months ago, I was in Harbor Freight and I saw this mobile service tray, and this is the type of cart that you would see at mechanics that they would use when working on a vehicle. I thought that this would be perfect for the studio, and let me explain. Let's start by going over the cart itself. The cart has wheels on it that makes it easy to move. It doesn't scuff up the floor. It has a 12-inch drawer that I keep things that photographers and videographers commonly forget, and boom, there it is, ready for y'all to use. And it also can hold up to 220 pounds. This thing is not tipping over, and I feel confident when I set stuff down that it's not gonna hit the floor. It also has raised edges that run along the edge of the cart, so you're not gonna worry about something rolling off and hitting the ground either. Now I wanna go over those upgrades that make this the perfect in-studio cart. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, and that is the Predator 350 power station. This power station is just a big battery, and what that means for you is that you're able to be totally wireless. You don't have to plug into a wall and still be able to tether to your computer and use the monitor that's on top. When I bought this power station, it was $199 at Harbor Freight. You can use it while it's charging, and it's an awesome add-on, and it's just a cool device to own in general. For my cart, I built a little tray that it sets in, and it's not going anywhere. That way the cart and the power station is all one unit. Upgrade number 2 is the 32-inch monitor that is on the cart itself. The power station can power it for probably around 5 to 6 hours before needing to be charged again. I had the TV attached to the cart using a desktop light mount, which has a clamp that clamps to the cart itself. And from there, the TV has a Neewer Vesa TV mount on the back, and that goes into the light stand. A small feature that I've added to the cart is a bendable phone mount. And the reason I think that's smart is that when people are using the studio, they like to take behind the scenes photos and videos, so it's right there for them to use. And also they might tag the studio too. Side note, if you're buying a phone mount, go ahead and buy a metal one. They last longer, they're more secure, and nobody wants to break their phone. Here's the one that I recommend, and it has lasted me years. Overall, this cart is probably one of the most useful pieces of gear in the studio. As a matter of fact, I use it all the time, including right now, because I'm using it to see myself to shoot this video. Here's all the components of the cart and how much they cost. The cart itself was $100, the Predator 350 power station was $200. The 32-inch TV can really range from $150 to $250. I just went to Target and picked up one that was in my price range. The Neewer Vesa TV mount was $34. The desk mount light stands were $40, and it did come with 2. You only need 1, so you have an extra one. And then the phone tripod mount was $28.95. The flexible arm that the phone mount is on was from a repurposed project that I had in the past, but you can make something similar using a magic arm and a clamp. Everybody needs somewhere to set stuff down. People love to tether to it. People love to use it as a director's monitor. The battery life is awesome for powering that monitor and even powering cameras and your laptop. So if you're looking for a cart, this is the perfect studio companion, especially if you're on a budget. Thanks to Harbor Freight.